Hello, this is Erie County District Attorney John Flynn, and welcome to our weekly YouTube video presentation. We are here now, the week of March 22nd of 2021, approaching that week, and on March 22nd of 2021 is going to be the resumption of our jury trials here in Erie County. As everyone knows, the COVID pandemic has disrupted the lives of this entire world. It has disrupted businesses, it has disrupted government, it has disrupted basically all institutions of our normal daily living. Obviously, that includes the criminal justice system. When the COVID virus first hit back in March of last year, 2020, the court system pretty much closed down. And when I say closed down, everything closed down except for arraignments. Now, for the viewers out there who don't know what an arraignment is, basically an arraignment is the very first court proceeding. So someone gets arrested, they get them brought into court, and they get an arraignment before a judge, where the judge tells them the charges, gets their lawyer situation straightened out, and decides bail if applicable. So that's pretty much all that happened for the first 6 months of the pandemic. March, April, May, June, into last summer. Then when we started loosening up a little bit last summer in 2020, we started to open things up a little bit. We did some felony hearings, which are the second proceedings that take place after the arraignment. We did some more virtual proceedings, sentences, some hearings that were virtual. So we started to open up a little bit more in the summertime. Still, though, we did not actually schedule our first jury trial until November of 2020. So we went from March of 2020 to November of 2020 without any trials at all. We had one trial in November before we got shut down again. And since November, we have been shut down as far as resuming jury trials. Well, the good news is that's all going to change on Monday, March 22nd. We have our first jury trial scheduled. Now, we're going to be careful. Obviously, we want to make sure that the people who come in here, the building, for jury duty are safe and that they don't get the virus, obviously. So we are only allowed to do one trial a week. Normally, we could have 3 or 4 trials going on at one time here in the building. The rules that we're operating under right now, though, say that we're only going to do one trial per week. And in order to keep the jurors here for the shortest time possible, we are only scheduling cases that will last no more than 1 week. So we don't want any cases that are going to take longer than 2 weeks. Most of our murder trials, most of our shootings, most of our rape trials that have complicated evidence and DNA and expert witnesses, those normally last more than 1 week. So for those cases are not going to get scheduled right now, okay? We're only going to do cases that last 1 week, and we're only going to do one per week going into May. Hopefully, 2 months from now, when we're in May, we can schedule maybe 2 a week. Hopefully in May, we can maybe start scheduling our homicides and more complex cases that take longer than a week. But again, we'll play it by ear. We'll see how it works. I'm just happy that we're getting back to jury trials starting on Monday, March 22nd, and we're getting the criminal justice system back open and up and running as we are society. So I'll see you next week. And again, stay safe.